Hello, this is my submission for deliverable number 7. Down here, I have my LCD screen soldered to the PCB, and here's my scale. So currently my scale is in grams, and when I place this battery on it, it reads about 32 grams. This button over here is for the units. So when I click this button, it switches to kilograms. And then when I click it again, it switches to pounds. And then lastly, it switches to ounces. And then the button over here, when I click this button, it tears the entire scale. Thank you very much. Have a good night.